Ready to turn your passion for art into a thriving business by making it easy for people to pay you? First things first, head over to PayPal.com and click on the Sign Up button. It's usually located prominently in the top right corner. Now, this is crucial. Choose Business Account to Business Account unlocks features specifically designed for selling, like invoicing and accepting various payment methods. Enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but also hard for others to guess. Fill out the business information form for most artists starting out. Selecting individual, sole proprietorship as your business type is perfectly fine. You'll also need to provide your business name. This can be your artist name, if you prefer. Link your bank account. This is essential for withdrawing your earnings. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Explore your new dashboard. Familiarize yourself with features like request money for straightforward payments and invoicing for more professional transactions with detailed breakdowns of your artwork's cost. Finally, create a PayPal link. This allows you to share a simple, personalized link with your clients, making it incredibly easy for them to send you payments directly. Now you can accept payment for your art, hassle-free.